Hello, little girl.
Hello, Mr. Ned.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ned.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
I'm Sophie.
Sophie. Nice to meet you, Sophie.
Nice to meet you too.
Very good, Sophie. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. And how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
6 years old. Wow. Okay. So, are you sleepy?
No.
No. Are you hungry?
No.
No.
I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? Okay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now, Sophie, let's talk. Okay. Can you please tell me what color do you like?
I like pink and purple.
You like pink and purple?
Yes.
Very good. And I don't like pink. Why do you like pink? Because I'm a girl. Very good. Okay. Sophie, do you like animals?
Yes.
What animals?
I like cat and rabbits.
You like cats and rabbits. Okay. What animals do you see on the farm? Name 4 animals you see on the farm.
I see sheep,
Yeah.
cow, horse, pony, cat.
Cat.
Fine.
Farm. Okay. Cats on the
Farm.
farm. Very good. Okay. Now name 4 animals you see at the zoo.
I see birds, alligator, hippopotamus, lion.
Where?
At the zoo.
At the zoo. Very good. Okay. Now let's do some action. Okay. Can you rub your stomach? Yes. Can you pinch your nose? Very good. Okay. Now, pat your head.
Cat.
Yeah. Pat, pat, pat. Point to the sky.
Sky.
Very good. What color is the sky?
Sky is blue.
Very good. The sky is blue. Very good job. Now, Sophie, I will show you some cards, okay? You look at them and tell me what is this. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Milk.
Milk. Do you like to drink milk?
Yes.
Okay.
I like milk.
You like to drink milk. Okay. When do you drink milk? In the morning or when you go to bed?
Go to bed.
When I go to bed, I drink milk. Yeah. Very good. This one?
Ice cream.
Good job.
Butter.
Mm.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Scratch. Fat.
Fat.
Pinch. Kick.
Good.
Hit. Hurt. Noodles.
Good job.
Ham. Juice. Hot dog.
Very good.
Salad.
Mm.
Pancake.
Very nice.
Hamburger.
Mm.
Popcorn.
Very good. Okay. Now, please tell me, what do you want for dinner?
I want pizza, spaghetti, rice, and eggs for dinner.
What so many things? You will be fat if you eat so much. Yeah. Okay. Now, please tell me if you want a snack. Yes. Yeah. For your snack time, then how do you say your mother?
Mother, give me ice cream and she for snack time.
Very nice. Okay. Now, please tell me what are the nice things to do?
She's nice to listen to teacher. Be quiet.
Very good. And what are the nice things to say?
Excuse me. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm sorry. It's okay. Excuse me.
Very good. Okay. If I say thank you, what do you say?
You're welcome.
I say sorry.
It's okay.
Very good. What if you bump into someone? What do you say?
Excuse me, please.
Very good. Is it nice to hit or kick your friends?
No.
No. Why not? Why not? Very nice. Now, we have a song for you to sing. Do you like to sing songs?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you like this song?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Can you please tell me the title of the
The
song?
title of this song is Big Big Turkey.
Very good. Let's sing.
I'm a big, big turkey. I eat and eat. I am so fat. I can't see my feet. When I run, oh, wobble, wobble, wobble. When I talk, oh, gobble, gobble, gobble. I'm a big, big turkey. I eat and eat.
Very good. Now, please tell me, is turkey big or little?
The turkey is big
Are you big or little?
and little.
Are you little like this? Little like this? Okay. Is turkey fat or thin?
Turkey is fat.
What about you? Are you fat or thin?
I think.
I'm big. Very good. Can turkey see its feet?
No,
No, why not?
you're so fat.
Because it's so fat. Can you see your feet?
Yes.
Yes, I can. Very nice. Okay. Now here, I will show you some letters. You tell me the name of the letter and how many sounds this letter makes. Okay? You ready? Go.
Letter P, one sound. H.
Good job.
Letter J, one sound. J.
Very nice.
Letter I, three sound. A-I-E.
Very good. Okay. Now here, can you please say the letter sound and read the word? Okay.
J, jam. J, pajamas. J, jump.
Very good.
Jam. Jam on my pancake. Jam on my bread. Jam in my donut, but not on my head.
Very nice. Okay. Now please tell me, what do we need between two words?
Space.
Space. Very good. And what's this one?
Period.
Period. Very good. Now I say the sound, you point and say the word. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. P sound.
Pancake.
Good. B. B.
Bread.
Very good. And D.
D. Donut.
Very good. What about J?
Jam.
What about
M.
My. My. Very good. Good job. I'm so proud of you. And now we have a big book. Okay. Here we go. Now, and first of all, tell me the title of this big
The
book.
title of a big book is 6.
6. Very good. Okay. Now I point and you sing. Okay. Go.
I see 6 lions sleeping in the sun. I see 6 zebras starting to run. I see 6 little baby kangaroos. I see them all at the zoo. The end.
Very good. Okay. Now here, look at the picture and tell me how many little baby kangaroos do you see?
I see 6 little baby kangaroos.
Very good. And what are lions doing here in this picture?
The lions living in the sun.
Very good. Lions are sleeping in the sun. Where do you see lions?
I see 6 lions living in the sun.
Yes. Where do you see them? Do you see them on the farm or at the zoo?
I see at the zoo.
I see lions at the zoo. Very nice. Okay. Now here, let's sing one more song. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now here we have the song "Weekends Are Cool." There we go.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On all those days, I go to school. Then come Saturdays and Sunday. I'm with my family, and that is cool.
Very good. Okay. Do you know how many days are in a week?
Sunday.
7 days in a Saturday and Sunday?
Weekend.
Very nice. Do you go to school on weekends?
No.
No, I don't. Then what do you do on weekends? I'm with my family. Very good. Do you know what day is it today?
Today is Friday.
Very good. Today is Friday. And what day comes after Friday?
After Friday, 4 days.
No, after Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday. After Friday is
Saturday.
Saturday. Very good, Saturday. Now, do you like to read stories?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have one story for you to read. Okay. Now you can point or track the words whatever you want. Okay. And read the story. Go.
Jam, jam.
Good job.
Jam, jam on my bread. I love jam on my bread. Ham, ham on my pizza. I love ham on my pizza. Eggs, eggs with my rice. I like eggs with my rice. Noodles, noodles in my soup. I like noodles in my soup. Cheese, cheese in my sandwich. I like cheese in my sandwich. Milk, milk with my cookies. I like milk with my cookies. Meat, meat in my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti. Butter, butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chicken, chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy, candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Cake, cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday. The end.
Very good. Okay. Now what do you like for your birthday?
I like blue cake for birthday.
You like juice and cake for your birthday?
Yes,
You don't like toys, ice cream for your birthday?
yes.
Yes, I do. Very good. And now please tell me, what do you like with your rice?
I like ham and eggs with my rice.
Very nice. And then it's with my rice. Sophie, our speaking time is over for today, and you have done a marvelous job, and I'm so proud of you. It's time for us to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, everyone, and see you again. Goodbye.